If you are learner like me, you should follow these steps for improving English. First, I am trying to watch English video and understand very well. So this times I am able to understand very well English. So hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Once again I am here. You are watching my channel English with Rajni Devi. Today in my video I am going to share with you some tips for improving English. Okay, if you are learner like me, you should follow these steps for improving English. First one listening and second one speaking, because these are steps very important for listening power. Okay, if you want to improve your communication skill, you should follow these steps for improving English. Actually, when I started speaking English, so that time I didn't watch any English video, so that times I couldn't understand very well English, but this times I am trying to watch English video and understand very well. So this times I am able to understand very well English. So that's why I am telling to you. Okay, so without listening we can't speak English. I think listening power is very superb, okay, for improving English, because I we observe every person who speak in English, so automatically I will be perfect in English. So that's why I am telling to you. Okay, actually now it's question how to increase our listening power, because I don't have any partner and any environment. So how to improve our listening power and speaking? So actually I would like to tell you first of all, because every person have a device is a mobile, as a mobile phone. Okay, every person use a mobile phone. So there are so many contents on YouTube. So you should watch English video, you should watch motivational speech in English, and you should watch English song. Okay, so if you really want to improve your communication skill, you should avoid the Hindi video for some days, uh, until you will perfect in English. Okay, actually this way is very important, and when you watch every day English video, automatically you will be perfect in English. So another things you can use practice. Okay, practice is very necessary, because without practice we can't speak English. Okay, I know you don't have any environment and any person, so who will you speak? So I think you speak with yourself, and you speak in front of mirror. Okay, if you are alone at your home, so that time you speak with yourself. Okay, actually this way is very important. And so when you try to speak other people, so that times every person I think make the fun. So please avoid people for sometimes, until you will not perfect. So after that you can talk with other person. Okay, so first of all you should speak with yourself, and in front of mirror, and after that you try to speak in with the other person. You will be comfortable, so that time you can talk. Okay, speak as much as. Without practice we can't speak English. I think you have practice within 20 minutes in the morning and afternoon and night. Okay, you have the practice a lot. So in the end I would like to tell you, if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, share, comment my video. So please don't forget the comment, because your comment is very important for me. So thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.